Yeah, drop. Yeah. As I open my composition, thoughts in my mind are spinning, wondering how to place my mama in a comfortable position. Stress weigh on the brain, liquor easing the pain, bitches giving me brain. Lord knows I'm ashamed, Lord knows I must change, but am I ready? I pray I never lose myself, chasing the fetty life on tightrope, nothing but hope keeping me steady. I've walked through this jungle at night, shit scary. A mother's biggest fear, morning face flood with tears. Phone call, bad news, son is no longer here. He was out there on his own, long way from home. And to make matters worse, he never pick up the phone. He needed money to eat, so he pushing that pack. Ain't no love in these streets, so we leave with a strap. Hard to change overnight when you grew up like that. And plus the system tougher to crack when you young and you black. Facts.
You only get one life to live. Tell me, Lord, am I living right? Yeah. You only get one shot to blow. Oh no, I won't sell my soul. If I shall die before I wake, I pray to the Lord for my soul to take. If I shall die before I wake, dear Lord, know He's still here to
Yeah, dearly beloved, if it wasn't for you, don't know where I would be. Penitentiary cell, no money for bail, shit discreet. Know some niggas pushing that street shit. Just cause you walk with that gun, my nigga, don't mean shit. Street shit, where I learned that this world was cold. Could never play my cards right, yet I never fold. Was too busy out, partying, bullshitting, blunt O's. I fell back from my goals to chasing Marilyn Monroe's. Whoa, I seen money come and change niggas. Same niggas looking both ways to cross lanes with you. Well, at high school, you was a lame nigga. So what, you bought the freshest gear and what your change bigger? Please, I'm that same nigga, just a tad bit iller. Scary flow, nigga, just Mike Jack Thriller. Only differ is my pain became realer. So when you real, you ain't gotta say it. When you real, they gon' feel you.
You only get one life to live. Tell me, Lord, am I living right? Yeah. You only get one shot to blow. Oh no, I won't sell my soul. If I shall die before I wake, I pray to the Lord for my soul to take. If I shall die before I wake, dear Lord, know He's still here to send His prayer.